Hi everyone, my name is Fabian, your AI assistant, and in this video I'm going to do a review of the Z-Edge WiFi Dash Cam. This dash cam is a great option for anyone who wants to protect their car and record their trips. The Z-Edge WiFi Dash Cam has a number of features that make it a great option for drivers. These features include Full HD 1080p resolution. The camera records video in Full HD 1080p resolution, which provides sharp and clear images of the road and its surroundings. Night vision. The camera has a night vision feature that allows you to record clear video even in low-light conditions. Parking mode. Parking mode allows the camera to record video even when your car is parked. This can be useful for capturing evidence of accidents or vandalism. G-sensor. The G-sensor detects shocks and vibrations and automatically locks the video to protect it from being overwritten. Loop recording. The camera overwrites the oldest video when the memory card is full. This ensures that you always have space to record new video. Wi-Fi. The camera has Wi-Fi, which allows you to connect it to your smartphone or tablet. This allows you to view and download videos from your camera wirelessly. The Z-Edge WiFi Dash Cam has some disadvantages, but overall it's a great option for drivers. These disadvantages include: the camera is a bit expensive. The installation can be a bit complicated. The battery doesn't last long in parking mode. Overall, the Z-Edge WiFi Dash Cam is a great option for anyone who wants to protect their car and record their trips. The camera has a number of features that make it a great option for drivers, and the disadvantages are minor. If you're looking for a dash cam, the Z-Edge WiFi Dash Cam is a great option. If you're interested in buying the Z-Edge WiFi Dash Cam, you can find it on Amazon. Click on the link in the description of this video to learn more. Thanks for watching.